So definitely, Ashwood Glen has a great reputation in Burlington, and I would say outside Burlington as well. We have gone through lots of reference as well for the students who were actually studying here, and got some very positive feedback. And at the same time, we got from internet and other resources about how great the school is, and the IB program which Ashwood Glen has is really impactful. That's why we made the choice with Ashwood Glen, and I think we made the right choice. As a parent, definitely not only from an academic point of view, I would say overall inclusiveness of the school, and overall I would say kind of the community side, which is very beneficial for as a parent. But also at the same time, we see there are lots of, I would say, communications with the parents which are very helpful. The staff is very good, they are very knowledgeable, which really help the kid to grow. Apart from the academics also, we see a lot of, I would say, curricular activities like arts and well-being, which really help for a personal development of a kid. So I would say it provides a wholesome environment for overall learning for a kid. I would say the overall environment in the community is very inclusive. The support we get from the community and the overall school, I would say, environment is phenomenal. We have seen constant communication from the schools and the community, keeping the parents engaged and supportive, right, which is crucial for any parent, and what provides us with the visibility of what our kids are doing and how we can help them to grow even better. So I would say overall we had a great experience with the community in Ashwood Glen, I would say overall. I would say STEM has helped him a lot, and the learning he has got from the STEM program is great. Especially he's I would say, aligned and even understanding the different aspect of STEM and robotics, which really help him to grow to that level that he understands how those things are used in a practical way in an overall world, right? So that's really good for him to get the visibility of those products at this stage. And we have seen, I would say, a much more interest and enthusiasm from him to learn more about those studies, especially robotics, right? He really and to develop more, I would say, robotics things and robotic projects. And that has given him visibility, not only, I would say, for a journal academics thing, but overall how to understand the challenging aspect, I would say, on the robotics side and how it connects with the bigger world. The IB program has definitely set up the foundation, and to be honest, this is the first year only, and we have seen a lot of changes on the positive side. To that extent that he wants to explore different, I would say, roles and I would say interest level down the line in his life. Not only, I would say, related to academics, but also as an entrepreneur, and also, I would say, somebody who can do innovations, right, and change the world, have a big impact on the world, which is actually very great to have somebody at his age thinking about all those bigger roles which they can take down the line in their life to impact the world on the positive side. Especially with the community action being part of the IB, I would say, program, it gives children a bigger perspective. So they don't only think about the academic side, but they think of how my learning impacts the overall world. And at the same time, they want to make the impact right away, right? They feel much more engaged. They feel confident. At the same time, they feel responsible, that they have the responsibility towards the outside world, and they would like to initiate now. So from that aspect, I would say IB program has definitely put something in the kids to nurture and to develop when they grow more, so that they can, I would say, change the outside world on a positive side, making a huge impact for the community. It's a phenomenal, and it's the best. At the same time, it's out of the class, I would say, so that it's providing the type of education to the kids which they really need to grow as a responsible individual in their lives and to make a positive impact on the outside world.